Hey, what's up? This is JR from On the Other Side of the Road. Well, bad news is I won't be riding any by maybe the end of the year. Getting rid of the bike. There it is. I'll be getting rid of it due to physical stuff happening to me getting in my older years. And I wanted to do a little detailing on the bike before I turned it in, because there's a dealership by me in Long Island that will buy used bikes and they pay cash. So I want to get out of the payments on it. I only have a couple of years, but I won't be able to ride, so it doesn't matter. I just got to get rid of it, and I'm going to be driving a car instead. Been riding Harley Davidson since 2006, and I think it's pretty much over for me. Amongst other things, road hazards. The cages are unbelievable out here in New York City, and you have to get out of the city to ride, good rides. And so the actual reason why I'm making this video is because I wanted to clean those rims. They are filthy as shit, and I went to look at it this morning to see what it's going to take for me to get, some elbow into that thing. And I'm looking at the wheel, and I noticed something that I did not know before. So let me turn the camera around. So here's what I noticed. And now the front wheel is supposed to be easier, but you can see how bad the mags are. They're real bad. So I thought, a little steel wool and maybe even a polishing tool to get it. And then here's, when I got a little closer, what I found. Right here. See, you see that? That indicates to me that these were plated on there, on the entire rim. I did not know that. I thought these were polished. When I bought the bike, they were shiny as shit, they were beautiful. But, I'm one not to clean the bike that much. I just do a quick wash and I'm out the door riding in the country. And then I find this thing. I'm like, what the hell is this? This is plating. This is not polished aluminum. I don't know. Why did I think that these were polished aluminum? And they're not. Now, it's not coming off here. Still some right here on this end. This half of it is still there. But when you go up here, look, there's little flakes. Right there. You're like, but man, this one's really noticeable right here. Look at that. So, would you look at that? To my surprise, this is what I find. So now I'm like trying to figure out, how am I going to get those rims to look decent enough to turn the bike in and get, something worth what the bike is worth. I don't know. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. Thanks.